Can you recover deleted responses on Google Forms? Let's figure it out. First thing that you need to do is open your phone or device that you have and search is can you recover deleted responses on Google Forms? And as you search it on Google, it says there no. Deleted Google Forms responses are permanently deleted and cannot be recovered from the form itself. However, if you had linked your form to a Google Sheet, you may be able to find the responses in the spreadsheet, as deleting responses in the form does not always delete from the link sheet. If you just deleted them, try using the undo function that is given on the screen. And then, the first thing that we need to do to make sure that we have link sheets is first is go to Google Forms. Remember that deleted responses cannot be seen on the Google Forms itself. Once you're already on the Google Forms and have already signed in, click on the three-line button that you can see right after your profile, and then go ahead and click on the print option. Here, it will give you the printed data of the Google Forms and see if the deleted responses are there. Or you can just go ahead and click on preview and see if the person that you are looking for response is also there.